In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Rocket Money customer support using their phone, email, and chat options. Whether you need help resolving an issue or have questions about your account, getting in touch with Rocket Money's customer support team is straightforward. Let's go through the process step by step so you can find the help you need as quickly and efficiently as possible. First, let's start with accessing the Rocket Money dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Rocket Money website. Once you're on the home page, you should log into your account by entering your credentials. This will take you to your personal dashboard where you can manage your finances and find more options for customer support. Now let's look at the chat option, which is often the quickest way to get a response. On the Rocket Money dashboard, look for a button or link that says Chat with Us. This is typically located toward the lower part of the screen, so you may need to scroll down a bit. Clicking this will open a chat window where you can connect with a customer service representative. Once you're in the chat, you have the opportunity to ask questions or discuss the concern you have. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue. This can help the representative understand your situation better and provide a more accurate solution. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions if the representative's response isn't clear enough. The goal here is to find a resolution that works for you, so make sure you fully understand the advice and solutions offered. Next, let's talk about contacting Rocket Money via phone. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, finding the Rocket Money customer support phone number is another valuable option. This information is usually available on their website under the contact or support section. Once you have dialed the number, be prepared to discuss your issue and have any relevant account information handy so the support team can assist you more efficiently. Finally, if your matter isn't urgent and requires detailed information, you might opt to use email. To contact the support team through email, locate the support or contact page on the Rocket Money website. There, you'll find the customer service email address. When composing your email, include a clear subject line and explain your issue in detail in the body of the email. Providing screenshots or attaching relevant documents can be particularly helpful if your issue is complex. To conclude, whether you choose chat, phone, or email, Rocket Money offers multiple avenues to ensure you get the help you need. Each option is designed to cater to various preferences, whether you prefer a quick chat, a personal touch via phone, or the detailed explanations that email allows. I hope this guide has made it clear how you can connect with Rocket Money's customer support. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out to Rocket Money if you need help with your account.